Let's create an abstract piece. For this, I'm using an 8x10 stretch canvas. I've selected 3 colors so I don't get overwhelmed, painting knives, and for dimension, I'm using the DecoArt Americana Decor Texture Paint. This is a metallic paint and adds amazing texture to anything you're creating. I like to apply my paint directly onto the canvas, but you can also apply it right onto your paint knife. I selected a larger paint knife because I'm doing a larger surface, and this way I can move the paint around easily. You can move the paint knife across all the colors if you want, or you can isolate the paint knife onto each color and then begin to incorporate them with each other. Before applying the next step, which is a thicker metallic base paint, we're going to let this dry completely so that you can move and get that texture with this texturized paint. I use my paint knife to grab a little bit of paint and apply directly to the canvas. Place down and drag. You can go in different directions and pull. You can also use the side of your paint knife to create lines. Create balance by moving the color to different sections of your canvas. Repeat the process with different colors of the metallics. And you can also use different size paint knives. I also like to use a lighter color of the metallics to create highlights. By using a variety of paint, thick metallics, and painting knives, you can create an abstract piece with texture and dimension.